Okay, in this video I want to get you set up to be able to turn your work in for class. You're going to keep a slideshow with all of your best work in it, and we're going to call it your portfolio, your engineering portfolio. You could also call it an engineer's notebook, but it's going to be this digital thing where you collect your ideas and your images of your work. So it all starts on your desktop. Here I am on my desktop. I'm going to right click with my mouse and say New Folder. I'm going to call this folder Screen Captures. Notice I've got screenshots already, so I'll choose Screen Captures. I would say Screenshots if you want to. Okay. So basically, I'm going to show you how to put snips of your work into, into your portfolio. So I'm opening up Fusion 360 in the background, but we'll start here. I think I've got a new slideshow. Let's just make a new one. And let me get this size just right so that you can see everything that's going on in the window. Alrighty, mate. Let's see. That. Okay. So I'm going to make a new presentation. It's just a regular old Google slideshow. On the front page, I'm going to say engineering notebook. Portfolio is another word you could use. Put my name and the class. Okay. I'll come over here and choose a theme, or they call them themes. It's just like a set of colors and design stuff. Man, none of these are really doing it for me. I know you can go somewhere and download more themes. I'll choose the classic all black with white. It's pretty slick. Okay. Go ahead and save it as your last name. So for me it would be Santivani, and notebook or portfolio. Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put in a couple slides because I'm intending on doing some screen captures and putting the words and the pictures into these slides. So I'm going to say new slide, and I get this one. So you can change the where is it? Format, slide layout, and then you get all these. And the one I really like for this kind of business is one column text or section, title, and description. Those are good. Side-by-side pictures. I'm going to put in a bunch of these. Okay. So now I got a few. Alright, let's see if Fusion 360 is up and running. I'll show you how to make some snips. Let's see. Is there some way I can't. Well, I'm down as low as I can go with the view window, but in this menu, type in the word snip and you'll get the snipping tool. There's this new thing called Snip and Sketch. I wouldn't use that, but I would check the snipping tool and pin it to your taskbar. Mine's already there. I could unpin it and then I could pin it. Okay. I unpinned it now. It won't let me pin it. Why did you do that? Alright, let's go search it out again and then we'll be able to re-pin it. There we go. Pin to the taskbar. Now it's right there. It's like this circular thing with scissors on it. I'll open up Fusion 360 and close that down. I'm going to make some snips, and I'm going to show you how you can direct them to that folder you made. And once you direct them once, the computer is going to assume that you want to put it there every time until you kind of stop working or tell it to go someplace else. So I'm just going to go open a file, a recent one. How about the bean thing? I don't even know what this is. Okay, looks like a bean in a box, right? So let's say I want to take some pictures of this. I would turn on the snipping tool and make a new snip. you get these crosshairs, you just come in and you take a screenshot. So it lets you kind of size it and crop it as you go, and then you go File, Save As, and give it a name. Bean thing 1, and you navigate to where you want to go. So I want to go into the desktop, and then I want to choose Screen Captures, right? Say Open and Save. Okay, so now it's saved into that folder. I'm going to go ahead and spin the view a little bit. So I'll just grab it, kind of spin it, maybe zoom in a little bit. So you really get a feel for the beam thing, and make another snip. This one will be just some kind of close-up, looking like that. I'll go File, Save As, and this one will be beam. Beam thing 2, and you'll see that it's trying to go right into that folder. So the way you do it, you can make more and more snips. Just click New every time you want to do it. Alright, so let's get back to that portfolio. And so my title, of course, would be Beam Thing. And I found this file and used it as a way to help explain screen captures and adding words and images to the portfolio. Right, something like that. Make these a little bit bigger so they fill up the box that we got going on here. And then I'm going to insert those pictures, right? So I go Insert Image and then Upload from Computer. Screen Captures, open, and I can choose both of them or one of them. Chose both of them. They came in really huge. If you hold down Shift as you drag, it goes proportionally. And it looks like only one of them came through, which is interesting. So we'll go ahead and insert the other one. Maybe you can really only insert one at a time. That would be my guess as to what happened there. So Insert Image, Upload from Computer. Again, this should go and look for the last place we looked. You want to have lots of words explaining your design ideas. Oh, it's hiding back there. And we got 2 words in. And lots of images showing your design ideas. Okay? This is something you need to do as you progress through your projects. So do it frequently. It's not that bad once you start getting a handle on it. Okay, thanks.